Hi, I'm Anita Price and welcome to the Facets of Prices. Well, today we're going to go with a kind of a different view on how to help people with their fingers that are changing in size. Now, unlike if you've had like a weight gain or a weight loss, or maybe you broke a finger, one thing that we're running into more and more is that people at different times maybe are going through a medical situation in their life, which is having them either lose a lot of weight and then their rings aren't fitting quite right, but they know that because of, maybe it's just meds that they're taking, that they've lost weight or whatnot, that they probably are going to change again. So there is an option to do within jewelry right now, which is just a really simple, they've been out for years, is just a ring adjustment system, which just simply is all in gold filled or silver, and it goes on the inside of your ring, and then we just fold over these simple tabs, and it's spring loaded so that then when you put it over your knuckle, it'll get nice and tight against the shank of the ring, and then once it goes over that knuckle and back onto the base of your finger, it springs open, so it just fills up that space. So it's perfect for customers that are maybe going through chemo or radiation or even some kidney dialysis, where they maybe have fluctuated in their weight, but they don't want to have it be, the danger is that if we keep our ring where it's really super loose and running circles around the base of our finger, is that ultimately you're going to either damage your crown, damage any diamonds or gemstones, or you're going to wear off or break off a prong completely. So that's why we always within the jewelry industry recommend having things checked twice a year. It's not only for just making sure things are secure, but also just to make sure that you haven't broken off prongs. So the same is true for if you all of a sudden have a weight loss. There are also a couple other little things that we can do for the person that knows that it might be a little while, is you can do what are called little speed bumps, and they look like little tiny BBs on the inside of the ring, and they're right at like the 4 and 8 o'clock positions on the ring, so that they just kind of grab onto the flesh of your finger. So those are an option, as well as a little speed bar, which goes just on the very bottom too and fills up. So there are some different options that we can do here within the store to help you if you're just in kind of a temporary point where you need to make your ring fit right but not have it flopping around. So stop into the store and we'd be happy to help you anytime with those adjustments. Bye-bye.